Hunting history is full of great rifles that somehow slipped into obscurity. Once trusted in camps and fields across the country, these rifles were forgotten as trends shifted and newer models took over. In this video, we spotlight 5 rifles hunters forgot, breaking down why they disappeared and why they still deserve respect today. Reliable, these overlooked rifles might just be the smartest comeback picks you never saw coming. Number 5. Winchester Model 70 is a legendary bolt-action firearm renowned for its controlled round feed design, exceptional reliability, and timeless craftsmanship, making it a favorite among serious hunters and traditional rifle enthusiasts for generations. Originally introduced in 1936, the Model 70 has been chambered in an extensive range of calibers, suitable for everything from varmints to dangerous big game, and its Mauser-style claw extractor and 3-position safety are major pros, providing smooth, controlled feeding and safe, confident operation in demanding hunting conditions. While the forged steel receiver and excellent barrel quality contribute to strong accuracy that commonly approaches or achieves sub-MOA performance with quality ammunition. Additional advantages include superb balance, classic walnut-stocked options alongside modern synthetic variants, excellent durability in harsh environments, and a reputation for consistent performance on once-in-a-lifetime hunts. However, the rifle also has notable cons, including higher cost compared to many budget bolt-action rifles, heavier weight in some configurations, and limited modularity when compared to modern chassis-based systems. While older post-1964 push-feed versions are sometimes viewed less favorably by purists, despite these points, the Model 70 remains a benchmark for traditional bolt-action rifles. In terms of price, current production Winchester Model 70 rifles typically sell between $700 and $2,000 depending on the model and stock configuration, with premium versions such as the Super Grade or Extreme Weather models often exceeding $1,300 making the Winchester Model 70 an outstanding choice for hunters who value proven reliability, classic design, and long-term dependability over trend-driven features. Number 4. Remington Model 700 is one of the most influential bolt-action rifles ever made, widely respected for its strong cylindrical receiver, dual opposing locking lugs, and long-standing reputation for accuracy, which has made it a cornerstone rifle for hunters, competitive shooters, law enforcement, and military platforms for decades. Introduced in 1962, the Model 700 has been offered in a vast range of calibers from light varmint rounds to powerful magnums. And its rigid action design is a major pro because it contributes to excellent consistency and accuracy, often achieving sub-MOA groups with quality ammunition, while also serving as the foundation for famous sniper systems like the M24 and M40. Another significant advantage is the massive aftermarket support, allowing owners to easily upgrade triggers, stocks, barrels, and chassis systems, effectively turning the rifle into a fully customized precision platform. Additional pros include smooth bolt operation, strong scope mounting geometry, and widespread availability of parts and gunsmith expertise. However, the Remington 700 also has notable cons, including inconsistent quality control during certain production years, factory stocks on entry-level models that can feel basic or flexible, and historical concerns surrounding older trigger designs, which many shooters choose to replace for peace of mind. Recoil can also be noticeable in lightweight hunting variants chambered in magnum calibers, and newer shooters may find better value in more feature-rich competitors out of the box. Despite these drawbacks, the Model 700 remains a gold standard action that many shooters prefer to build upon rather than replace. In terms of price, modern Remington 700 rifles generally range from $600 to $900 for standard hunting models, while tactical or precision-oriented versions can climb to $1,000 or more, making the Remington Model 700 a versatile, proven rifle that continues to hold its place as a trusted choice for both hunters and precision shooters worldwide. Number 3. Seikko L61R Finbear is a highly regarded classic bolt-action rifle from Finland, prized for its exceptional craftsmanship, smooth action, and outstanding accuracy, and is often considered one of the finest sporting rifles ever produced during its era. Manufactured primarily from the early 1960s through the 1980s, the Finbear was designed as a long-action rifle to handle powerful cartridges such as .30-06 Springfield, .300 Winchester Magnum, and .338. Winchester Magnum and its precision-machined receiver, forged bolt, and reliable controlled feed-style extractor are major pros that contribute to its legendary smoothness and dependable feeding, while the cold hammer forged Seikko barrels are famous for excellent accuracy that frequently achieves sub-MOA performance even by modern standards. Additional advantages include beautiful walnut stocks with classic European styling, excellent balance, crisp factory triggers, and extremely high build quality compared to most mass-produced rifles of the same period. However, the rifle also has clear cons, including limited availability since it is long discontinued, higher cost on the used market, heavier weight compared to many modern lightweight hunting rifles, and a relatively small aftermarket for replacement parts or modern accessories. Collectors may also hesitate to modify original examples due to their increasing value. Despite these drawbacks, the Finbear remains admired for its reliability, elegance, and real-world hunting performance. In terms of price, a Seikko L61R Finbear typically sells between $1,500 and $2,000 USD, depending on condition, caliber, and originality, with exceptional or rare examples commanding even higher prices, making it an outstanding choice for shooters and collectors who appreciate old-world quality, precision engineering, and a rifle built to last a lifetime. Number 2. Weatherbe Mark is a premium bolt-action rifle renowned for its strength, speed, and long-range performance, originally designed by Roy Weatherbe to safely handle some of the most powerful high-velocity cartridges ever developed, and it has since become a symbol of Magnum rifle excellence. The Mark V action is famous for its distinctive multi-lug bolt featuring 9 locking lugs in Magnum calibers and 6 in standard calibers, which provides an exceptionally strong lockup, a short 54-degree bolt lift for fast cycling, and extremely smooth operation, all of which are major pros for hunters and long-range shooters who demand reliability under high pressures. Paired with high-quality barrels and excellent factory triggers, the Mark V is capable of outstanding accuracy, often achieving sub-MOA groups with quality ammunition, while its controlled feeding and solid construction inspire confidence on dangerous or once-in-a-lifetime hunts. Additional advantages include beautiful fit and finish, especially on deluxe and high-grade models, strong recoil lug design, and availability in powerful Weatherbe Magnum and popular standard calibers. However, the rifle does have notable cons, including higher cost compared to mainstream bolt-action rifles, sharper recoil in Magnum chamberings, and slightly heavier weight on traditional models, which may be less appealing for long mountain hunts, while aftermarket customization options are more limited than platforms like the Remington 700. Despite these points, the Mark V excels as a purpose-built, high-performance hunting rifle rather than a budget or modular system. In terms of price, Weatherbe Mark V rifles typically range from $1,200 to $2,500 USD depending on model and materials, with lightweight backcountry or deluxe versions often exceeding $3,000 USD, making the Weatherbe Mark V an elite choice for hunters and shooters who value power, precision, and top-tier craftsmanship over cost-saving compromises. Number 1. Ruger M77 Mark II is a robust and traditionally styled bolt-action rifle known for its rugged reliability, controlled round feed system, and tank-like construction, making it a trusted choice for hunters who value durability over lightweight minimalism. Introduced in the late 1980s as an evolution of the original M77, the Mark II features a Mauser-style external claw extractor and a fixed blade ejector, which are major pros because they ensure positive feeding and extraction even in harsh or dangerous game conditions, while the integral scope bases machined into the receiver add strength and eliminate the need for separate mounting rails. Additional advantages include excellent build quality, a reputation for long-term reliability, and chamberings that range from standard hunting calibers like .30-06 Springfield to powerful magnums suitable for large or dangerous game, making it a versatile field rifle. However, the M77 Mark II also has clear cons, including a heavier overall weight compared to many modern hunting rifles, a factory trigger that many shooters find stiff or less refined than newer designs, and average out-of-the-box accuracy that, while solid, may not match the sub-MOA performance commonly advertised by newer competitors without tuning. The rifle's traditional design also means limited modularity and fewer aftermarket options compared to platforms like the Remington 700. Despite these drawbacks, the M77 Mark II remains respected for its strength, reliability, and classic feel. In terms of price, used Ruger M77 Mark II rifles generally sell between $600 and $900 USD depending on condition, caliber, and stock type, with rare or Magnum versions sometimes commanding higher prices, making it an excellent option for hunters seeking a dependable, old-school bolt-action rifle built to last generations. If these forgotten hunting rifles rang a bell, or made you rethink what's hiding in the back of the safe hit, Like, subscribe, and comment which one you think hunters should have never forgotten. We bring back overlooked legends, real performance stories, and timeless gear worth another look. More hunting content coming soon.